already.
Bye.
Bro, he doesn't know how to stop. Bro, does he know how to drive?
Another early morning. Thanks to gambling.
Another 4-hour drive. But I found out that I don't have enough storage. Ah. Oh, that's mud. Hi, Joanna. Hi.
Welcome to my house. Welcome to my crib.
What's up, brother? We're using a gamble. Nah, just a little bit.
The thing, we're away from the city of dreams. Mumbai, they can take another.
It's a city of nightmares for us.
Dude, we got like a 5 to 6 hour drive tomorrow morning. I don't know if I'm excited for that.
Is it chicken?
Pass. Extra strong. Chariot. Hold on, I'm gonna roll him. Oh yeah. Push him.
Freaking feel like 6 or 7.
I know. That's our cow too right there. That's just roaming by himself. Oh, my auntie's cow, not my cow.
Yeah, hello.
Look wonderful.
Go to McDonald's.
Huh?
Let's do this.
It feels so dangerous. Hey man. Don't go off that stuff. Hard for all of us to carry on that hill. So put him in first. Wait, no, you can get him, yeah. Put him in first. And just let this go slowly and you're gonna feel him start rolling. So give him a little gas now and then let him go slowly. You almost had him. Stop already. Bye. Oh man, we have to walk far, damn it. Where's he going? I hope he knows how to stop. But he doesn't know how to stop. But does he know how to drive? My cousin's bike.
This is our only bike.
Bro, you went so far because I don't even like walk that far. Now you guys 3 gotta carry him and I gotta push. Get in, gang.
Sorry, guys. Sorry for making it long.
Now Joanna's scared. No, he's scared now, Joanna.
Now I can say that I drove this shit in the Philippines.
What gear you was in?
I was good, huh?
What gear you was in?
4.
That's
When I started like not noticing I was going on the edge. I was like, holy fuck. Then the guy on the side, I was like, you need help, but I'm like, they're coming.
I know when you passed it, I was like, what the fuck?
Get it. We're experiencing a brownout, but the power just came back on. It took like, what, 30 seconds? Yeah, it started pouring, and we're actually having a brownout, but the only thing that's giving us light is this tiny flashlight. Perfect.
This fucking rain is nuts.
𝗬𝗺𝗃𝗀𝗧𝗃. See you there.
𝗬𝗺𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗀.
So I guess the rain just followed us. We're back in Pinili, and you can hear that, that's thunder. And there's been a bit of lightning. Right when I got back, I put everything away, and then I jumped into the pool. As soon as I heard thunder, I was like, yeah, no, let's go inside and shower already. But, oh man, I love the rain. I love it. Yeah, actually, we're waiting on Joanna to drive to Pinili. I don't know what time they left, because by the time that we were leaving, apparently they're still getting ready. So they should be here like anytime soon. Here they are. But it is raining 𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗀 and 𝗀𝗂𝗧𝗃. Oh, you guys made it. Jesus Christ. Oh.
𝗬𝗃𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗀.
Is your room? So much room for activities.
So many activities.